Studio Lamborghini 2026. Soft cinematic bass music starts slow build. In the world of supercars, there are fast cars. There are beautiful cars. And then, there is Lamborghini. Beat drop, engine sound fade in. This is the Lamborghini 2026. Not just a car, but a statement of power, design, and future technology. Music continues, calm but powerful. From the very first glance, the Lamborghini 2026 looks like it was carved from speed itself. Sharp angles, aggressive lines, a body designed not to please everyone, but to dominate everything. Every curve you see serves a purpose. Every edge cuts through the air. This is not art for a museum. This is art built to move. Subtle engine rev sound. The front design features ultra-sharp LED headlights, inspired by Lamborghini's racing DNA. Low, wide, menacing. The carbon fiber details reduce weight, while increasing performance. Because in Lamborghini's world, every gram matters. Music slightly rises. Now move to the side profile. A low stance. Massive wheels. Aerodynamic air intakes feeding the engine like oxygen. And those iconic scissor doors. Because ordinary doors are simply not enough. This car doesn't arrive quietly. It announces itself. Transition sounds smooth. At the rear, the Lamborghini 2026 becomes even more aggressive. Sharp LED taillights, a massive diffuser, and a performance exhaust system that doesn't whisper. It roars. Engine roar then fade. Under the hood lies the heart of a beast. A next-generation V12 hybrid powertrain, combining raw combustion power with advanced electric technology. The result: instant acceleration, explosive speed, and a driving experience that feels alive. This is not just about horsepower. It's about emotion. Music softens luxury tone. Step inside the cabin, and the world outside disappears. The interior of the Lamborghini 2026 is a perfect blend of luxury and performance. Premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber everywhere. The digital cockpit surrounds the driver, making you feel like a fighter jet pilot, not a passenger. Soft digital sound effect. Every button, every screen, every detail is designed with one person in mind: the driver. Music slowly builds again. Technology plays a huge role in this masterpiece. Advanced driving modes, adaptive suspension, AI-assisted performance systems. Whether you're cruising through the city or attacking a racetrack, the Lamborghini 2026 adapts to your mood. Cinematic pause. This car is not built for everyone. It's built for those who refuse to follow the crowd. For those who demand more than just transportation. It's for the dreamers, the risk-takers, the ones who want to feel something every time they press the accelerator. Music reaches peak. The Lamborghini 2026 is not just a supercar. It is the future. Wrapped in carbon fiber, powered by passion, and driven by legacy. Music slowly fades. Because when you drive a Lamborghini, you're not just driving a car. You're driving a legend. Final engine rev fade to silence.